Want to clear up space on your iPhone fast? Here's how to free up storage in just a few quick steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General and select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a full breakdown of what's taking up space: apps, photos, media, and system files. Start by checking the Recommendations section at the top. Tap Enable next to options like Offload Unused Apps or Review Large Attachments. These will instantly clear space without deleting important data. Next, scroll through the app list to see which ones are using the most storage. Tap on any app and choose Offload app if you want to keep the data but remove the app itself, or delete app if you don't need it anymore. Finally, open the Photos app. Go to Collections and clear out recently deleted to make sure everything's gone for good. And that's it. You've just freed up space on your iPhone the smart way. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.